In today's video, I will teach you how to download and create Bitget Wallet. First of all, you need to open your Play Store or App Store on your device, and in the search, you need to search for Bitget Wallet. And you need to open this, which is Bitget Wallet, Crypto and BTC, and you need to install the app, guys. I already have it on my mobile phone, so I will open it. You will see this black Create Wallet button right here. First of all, if you don't have a wallet, you need to create a wallet. So click Create Wallet, then click I agree. I suggest you to choose the first option, then you need to set the PIN, then you need to verify the PIN. And as you can see, guys, we successfully created Bitget Wallet. So we are on the home page. You can go to the wallet on the bottom menu. Here will be your balance, guys. So when you deposit crypto here, you will see your wallet balance. Here are some options: send crypto, receive. So this is very similar to Coinbase Wallet or Trust Wallet, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.